students, I am your English teacher Shabana, and today I will teach you about noun. Okay, as you know, all the students, you all know very well about noun. What is noun? Yes, all naming words, all names are naming words and all naming words are noun. सारे नाम, because the students, everything has a name, you all know about it, है ना? Everything has a name in this world. तो सभी चीजों का नाम होता है, and each and every name in this world is noun. Okay, वो सारे नेमिंग वर्ड होते हैं और नाउन क्या होते हैं? ऑल नेमिंग वर्ड्स आर नाउन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड आई हैव टॉट यू इन सेकंड चैप्टर अबाउट कॉमन एंड प्रॉपर नाउन. These are types of noun. Okay, common and proper. Common, what is common? Yes, common words which we use commonly, है ना, जिनको हम commonly use करते हैं, like boy, है ना, we use commonly for the same kind of things, है ना, like boy, all we use boy boy for all boys. Okay, and we use girl for all girls, है ना. Okay, these are the example of common, boy and girl. Boy, girl, river, we can write river also because we use river word for all rivers. Okay, and mountain and country, city, we can write any example of common noun here. And proper noun, yes, proper noun. Proper nouns are those words which we use for a particular thing, person or place. किसी भी एक पर्टिकुलर चीज के लिए, प्लेस के लिए या पर्सन के लिए जब नेम यूज होता है, that name is a proper name, proper noun. Like the name of a boy, the name of a particular boy, like Mayank. Mayank is a proper noun because this is the name of a particular boy. एक boy का name है. Okay, and river, can you tell me any name of a river? Yes, Ganga river. That is the holy river of India, the Ganga. And remember always students, the first letter of proper noun will be always capital. Okay, हमेशा capital रहेगा, will be always capital. The first letter of proper noun should be capital, रहना चाहिए. Okay, this is the rule of the proper noun. Okay, the next one is collective noun. Yes, I have taught you common and proper noun, and you all know very well about common and proper noun. Now in this video I will taught you collective nouns. Okay, I will taught you about collective nouns. This is the third type of noun. So we will learn what is collective noun in this video. Okay student, yes, when I have taught you about the chapter, what was the chapter 3? Yes, in chapter 3 I have taught you about Rajat, and many times we read collective nouns like puppies. Yes, puppies का क्या था? A litter of puppies. In the first paragraph, Rajat helped a litter of puppies, है ना? उसने एक litter of puppies की help की थी. क्या था वहां पर? Yes, tell me. Okay, I will tell you. In the first paragraph, I have taught you about Rajat कि Rajat ने a litter of puppies की help की थी. How he pick them out from the garbage pile, because जो litter of puppies थे, puppies का जो group था वो garbage के अंदर था, है ना, garbage में था. That's why Rajat pick them out from the garbage pile and put them in a safe place. Okay, in this paragraph हमने कौन सा collective noun underline किया था? A litter of puppies. A litter of puppies. Now first of all we will write the examples. Okay, हम examples write करेंगे. Okay, litter of puppies. Okay, a litter of puppies. Okay, and next one, What was the next one? Underline word. मैंने आपको वर्ड अंडरलाइन करने के लिए बोला था कि while reading, meanwhile reading, we have to underline some words. Okay? मैंने आपको कराए भी थे. When I was reading the chapter with you, then क्या किया था मैंने? I have underlined some words, है ना? Like a litter of puppies or army of ants, है ना? Yes. An army of ants. An army of ants. Okay, an army of ants. Yes, students, we are talking about collective nouns. In this video, I will teach you about collective nouns. What are collective nouns? Okay, that what are collective nouns? होते क्या है collective nouns? तो कॉमन एंड प्रॉपर हमें सब पता है कि कॉमन जो कॉमनली यूज होते हैं वर्ड्स फॉर सेम काइंड ऑफ द थिंग्स. ओके, एंड प्रॉपर जो पर्टिकुलर चीज के लिए पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के लिए यूज होता है, दैट नेम इज प्रॉपर नेम, प्रॉपर नाउन. ओके, एंड कलेक्टिव नाउन मींस कलेक्टिव के नेम से ही आपको पता लगेगा कलेक्शन. ओके, when we see any collection of anything, that उसके लिए जो नेम आता है, उसके लिए जो वर्ड आता है, दैट इज कलेक्टिव नाउन. ओके, लाइक बंच ऑफ पेपर्स का जो ग्रुप होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? बंच ऑफ पेपर्स. व्हाट? बंच ऑफ पेपर्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू इरेज दिस. स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी विल लर्न collective nouns. Okay, what is collective noun? Yes students, collective noun are the names of collection of anything, of any people, any animal or anything. Okay, collective nouns are the name of collections of animal, people or things. किसी भी चीज का कलेक्शन होता है, दैट इज कलेक्टिव नाउन. ओके, नाउ वी विल लर्न सब कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. ओके, बिकॉज आपने अभी तक नाउन्स ही सीखा है कि नाउन क्या होता है, कॉमन एंड प्रॉपर क्या होता है. बट हियर आर सम नेम्स ऑफ कलेक्शंस के कुछ नेम है. सो वी विल, हमें क्या करना चाहिए? वी शुड लर्न दैम. ओके, फर्स्ट वन इज a litter of puppies. A litter of puppies, that means a group of puppies. Okay, a group of. Okay students, a litter of puppies means a group of puppies. Okay, puppies का जो group होता है, that is a litter of puppies. Okay, a litter of puppies, we called it a group of puppies, a litter of puppies. ओके, मीनिंग समझ आया? अ लिटर ऑफ पपीज मींस अ ग्रुप ऑफ पपीज का ग्रुप अ लिटर ऑफ पपीज होता है. पपीज के ग्रुप को लिटर बोला जाता है. क्या बोला जाता है? वी कॉल्ड इट लिटर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट वन इज एन आर्मी ऑफ एंट्स. ओके, एज वेल एज एन आर्मी ऑफ एंट्स मींस अ ग्रुप ऑफ एंट्स. अ ग्रुप ऑफ एंट्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, okay, this is the collective noun. Okay, this is the collective noun, litter and army. Yes students, here we can say a collective noun like class. Okay, because class has many students. A class is a group of students, है ना? ग्रुप होता है स्टूडेंट्स का. you all sit in a room, that is class. We call it class. ओके, हम उसे क्या बोलते हैं? वी कॉल इट क्लास ना. यस, तो कलेक्टिव नाउन क्या हुआ? क्लास. क्लास इज ऑल्सो अ कलेक्टिव नाउन बिकॉज इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द कलेक्टिव नाउन. एंड ऑडियंस, वी कैन राइट ऑडियंस बिकॉज ऑडियंस इज अ वर्ड that means a group of people, a group of viewers का group होता है, that is audience. Okay, and we can write, Yes, anyone can tell me उसे क्या बोलते हैं हम, जो फ्लावर्स का जो ग्रुप होता है, फ्लावर्स का जो कलेक्शन होता है, व्हाट इज, यस, क्या होता है वो? Yes, we call it bouquet. Okay. Have you ever seen bouquet? Have you ever seen? No. Okay. I will show you in the live session what is bouquet. Okay. Bouquet. What is the spelling of bouquet? Yes. Bouquet. This is the spelling of bouquet, and bouquet means a group, a collection of flowers. A collection of different flowers. Okay. different flowers का collection होता है, that is bouquet. Okay. तो किसी भी चीज का collection होता है, that is collective noun. Okay. A litter of puppies, an army of ants, a group of puppies, a group of ants, class, audience, bouquet, and now we will learn some other collective nouns. Okay. I will write some collective nouns on the board, and we will know about the meaning of them. Okay. Of the collective nouns. Okay, students? Okay. Yes. Students, look at the board. Yes. A herd of cows. A herd of cows means a herd of cows means a group of cows. A group of cows. Have you ever seen a group of cows? Okay. But when we see any group of cows, then we call a herd. Okay. As well as when we see a group of deer, then we call it a herd. Okay. A herd of deer. Okay. A flock of birds. A flock of birds. A flock of birds means, yes, a group of birds. A group of birds. Okay. A group of birds called a flock of birds. We say these are the collective nouns. And these are the meanings of collective nouns. Okay. A herd of cows, a herd of deer, a flock of birds, and a pride of lion. Lion के ग्रुप को क्या बोलते हैं? Yes, pride. Okay. A pride of lions. A pride of lions. A pride of lions means a group of lions. A pride of lions means a group of lions. As well as here are some collective nouns in your book on page number 29. Okay, so you have to read them. Okay, and we can write a pair of socks, a band of musician. Okay, a band of musician. A band of musician means, yes, students, a group of musicians. A group of a group of musicians. As well as students, I will write some more collective nouns and you have to learn the collective noun, because I will ask you in the live session all the collective nouns one by one. Okay students, first one is a herd of cows, second one is a herd of deer, a flock of birds, a pride of lions, a band of musicians. Now I am going to erase it. Okay. Yes students, can you tell me teachers के ग्रुप को क्या बोलते हैं? Yes, can you tell me? What do we call a group of teachers? Staff. Yes, we call it staff, but we can call it faculty. The more appropriate collective noun for teachers is faculty, faculty of teachers, and staff of teachers also. But we will write faculty of teachers. A faculty of teachers. Students, you have to learn each and every collective noun from here. Okay. A faculty of teachers. Okay. And yes, can you tell me anyone? Yes, a band of musicians, a team of players. Okay, a team of players, and a school of whales. Yes students, whales के ग्रुप को हम क्या बोलते हैं? whales के ग्रुप को बोलते हैं हम school of whales. School is also a collective noun. School of whales. Okay, these are some collective nouns, and you have to write the meaning in front of them by yourself. Okay, band of musicians, litter of puppies, split of shapes, and the pride of lion. Okay, and bunch of papers, a bunch of sticks also. स्टिक्स के लिए भी बंच ही यूज करते हैं और पेपर्स के लिए भी बंच ही यूज करते हैं. अ बंच ऑफ स्टिक. A bunch of sticks. Okay. Bouquet of flower, है ना? A bouquet of flower. Flowers. Okay, you have to write the meaning of these collective nouns in the notebook. Okay, students, and as you know that there are some collective nouns, and you have to write them in your notebook, and you have to write the meaning of these collective nouns also in your notebook. Okay, as well as you have to do let's try 3 also on page number 29. You have to do let's try 3 as well as you have to do these work. Okay students, these are collective nouns, and let's try 3 is also related collective nouns. Okay, from collective noun. So students, bye bye, take care yourself. Okay, stay home and keep safe.